Good day, grade 3 learners. Welcome to our lesson in English 3, Quarter 2, Week 6, Day 1. Our topic for today is using discourse marker in procedural text. Before we begin, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Activating prior knowledge. Good morning. I hope you are all doing well. Have you ever tried planting something yourself? What did you try to plant? How did you grow your plants? Great! Later, you will know why I asked you about planting. Lesson Purpose Intention. In today's lesson, you will learn how to recognize and use common words, recurring words, and simple words related to science in your own sentences. You will also read and understand informational text, note significant details, and identify problem-solution relationships. Lastly, you will work on your own writing skills. You will practice writing clear and organized text that responds to a given topic. So as we go through today's lesson, let us keep these goals in mind. Let us work together to achieve them and become even better learners and writers. Lesson Language Practice. Today, we will read text about how to grow potatoes. But before we start reading the text, let us first have a vocabulary practice of some words used in the text for better understanding. Let us have a vocabulary practice. Here is the answer. Reading the key idea stem. As you read, find out the problem the children encountered with their plants. Think about what might have gone wrong with their plants. Note important details and answer the following question for comprehension. Birthday surprise. Next month, Lisa will celebrate her birthday and her friend Lito and Claro decided to surprise her with a special gift. They knew that Lisa loved potatoes, so they decided to grow potatoes together. They planted the potatoes last week and were excited to see how they would grow. This morning, when they checked on the plants, they observed that they had wilted. Let us study the detailed map of the story. The title of the story is A Birthday Surprise. The main idea is Lisa's friends wanted to surprise her with a special gift for her birthday. Here are the key details. Number 1, next month Lisa will celebrate her birthday. Number 2, her friends Lita and Claro decided to surprise her with a gift. Number 3, they knew Lisa loved potatoes. Number 4, they planted potatoes together last week. And number 5, this morning, they observed that the plants had wilted. Developing understanding of the key idea stem. The text we read use high-frequency and content-specific science words. What are these words? High-frequency words in the text are next, will, per, and, they, that, and so. For the content-specific science words, grow, planted, plants observe wilted potatoes. Let us answer the questions for comprehension. Number 1. Whose birthday is coming up next? Yes, it is Lisa's birthday. Number 2. What special gift did Claro and Lita decide to give Lisa and why? They gave her potatoes because they knew she loves it very much. Number 3. When did they plant the potatoes? They planted it last week. Number 4. What problem did they notice with their plants this morning? The potatoes wilted this morning. Number 5. What might have gone wrong? It could be lack of water or excessive sunlight exposure. And number 6. What do you think they should do to help their plants grow? They should give enough water or avoid excessive sunlight exposure. Identifying discourse markers in procedural text. Have you ever made a sandwich before? What do you do first? Here are the procedural texts. We have first, next, then, after, that, and finally. These words are often used to show steps or orders in a process. Read the text and take note of the underlined words. That shows step or orders. How to make banana sandwich. First, get 2 slices of bread. Next, peel the banana. Then, using a plastic knife, slice the banana into small pieces. Ask help from ate or kuya. After that, put the banana slices on 1 slice of the bread. Finally, put the other slice of bread on top and enjoy your sandwich. Here is the activity for you to answer. Fill in the correct words to complete the sentence. Deepening understanding of the key idea stem. Direction. Arrange the steps in the correct order. Add the correct discourse markers first, next, then, after that, and finally. Here is the correct answer. Making generalization and abstraction. Complete the reflection notes. Evaluating learning. Fill in the missing discourse markers. Read the step below. Fill in the missing word using the discourse markers. First, next, then, after that, finally. How to wash your hands. Here is the correct answer. For your homework, think of a possible solution for this problem. You notice that some chickens are damaging the plants in your school garden. Write your answer in a paragraph of 2 to 3 sentences using content-specific words and discourse markers you learned. Great job today, everyone! You listened well, shared your thoughts, and worked hard. Keep up the good work. Always remember to read, learn, and have fun. See you next time!